So we're here at Holland Park right now. This morning, the mayor of Miami-Dade announced that they're going to be closing all the boat ramps and marinas in Miami-Dade. So all the folks from down there think they're going to come down here to our city, and it's not going to happen. The cops are here, turning away everyone. That's basically what's going down over at Haulover. The mayor of Miami-Dade County saw there was literally 1,000 people not practicing the social distancing, so.
Hollywood Park that have boat ramps at it now are closed.
Oh, got it. Okay.
And the people keep streaming in here. What do you think about all this craziness?
We're stir crazy. You can't go to the beach. You can't go to a park.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mary works.
You can't go to a restaurant.
We know. I work for
You can't even go
Mary.
to a bar.
Yeah.
Well, we're not closed,
What do you think
but
about?
my department?
There was like over 1,000 people at the Haulover
Right.
Sandbar not practicing social distancing, and I think that's what caused this. What do you think about that?
I think it's going to prolong all of
this.
this.
Yeah.
It's going to make it go for months longer. If everybody just does what the CDC says, maybe we'll be out of this by
Exactly.
June.
Stay an arm's
Yeah,
length.
just
6
right.
feet.
Yeah, if we all do that,
Yeah. They're having big parties out on their boats, rafting up 4 or 5 boats at a time. Yeah.
so that if one person has it, they all have it.
Yeah.
And now we have to wait longer to get back to work.
Yeah, it's crazy. Well, over here at Harbortown Marina, things are still in full swing. There's big signs set up outside saying the boat ramps are closed, the lot is full. But it doesn't look to be really the case. I mean, there is a lot of trailers and boats here, but it's definitely not full. So not sure what's going on here, as this is a private marina. I'm just setting up some tunes out here. Gonna spend the rest of the evening just hanging out this beautiful day. So we got our little PA speakers so we can kind of light up the backyard with some music.
We are so bored, but we're doing our part. We're staying home. We're trying our best to stay away from people. So we're partying on the porch. Sorry there was no vlog yesterday. I got so bored that we just started like gardening and cleaning, and although I do like my lovely front porch and I put some plants. So, let's make a drink. I don't know what this is called. It's some kind of a punch. Let's start with a splash of triple sec. Maybe about a 1.5 second pour of vanilla vodka. Wait, this is vodka, right? Yeah, vanilla vodka. Maybe a little more. And then about a 5 to 7 second pour of Captain Morgan. That's a really small stream. I could do 7. 6, 7. Boat drinks. Then some cran mango. Maybe fill up about half of the way that's left. And then, what is this? The orange pineapple. and then fill up the rest of the way with the orange pineapple. And voila! My Apple and Rob's version of a punch. Cheers.
Oh, it's tasty.
Yeah, it is. I put quite a bit of vanilla in that one though.
Good.
It almost tastes like an orange Julius.
Oh yeah, it does kind of.
Right? Tastes like an orange Julius. Still good.